Okay, we've mocked up a front RBC with individual lock. The cam is installed. Privacy panel, just want to quickly show you here. I'll send you some pictures and show you exactly which mounting holes should be used for the installation of the privacy panel. Totally installation of the cam. If you notice, the cam is actually bent in this configuration. So we're just going to try right now a pull test. It's going to reset it back to 333. And we're going to close it. If you notice, it's basically sitting flush. Basically no gap in the close position. And we'll just lock it. And now I'm just going to try myself to open it up. And we'll try a pull test.
Maybe you can look at the reading, the shoulder reading. Like 35, 36, 38, 45, more than 45.
Stop when you reach the 50. Stop. I don't want to break it.
55.
Okay, so basically 55 pounds. If I pull any more, obviously it will break. Okay, let it go. So basically it's still in the lock position, and that's according to BIFMA 50 pounds.